quick tour of our boondocking site here in Colorado, Red Feather Lake. Walking with Sally this morning. Sally, the wire-haired fox terrier, camping with some friends out here. I'll show you our boondocking spot. There's our door compass B+. E-bike. Come on. So we were able to fit right inside the trees there, or right inside the tree, because as I stated, it is small. Made it really convenient to be able to pull into this spot. Our friends have a travel trailer. It's quite a bit longer. They needed more room. Now we'll just walk up the road with Sally and explore what's around here. Hey Sally. This is Sally. Hi. Come on. Say hi. Say hello. She likes camping. There's our spot. Red Feather Lake. Hi. Want to say hello? I think she thinks it's a treat. So, we'll walk up the road a little bit, give you a view. Red Feather Lake, camping, dispersed camping area. It's gorgeous out here, as you can see. It's a little overcast today, so not sure if it's going to rain on us or not. Come on over. Guys up fishing. Out early fishing this morning. Fishing looks great around here. So dispersed camping is what you want to think about before you go. In Colorado, you don't want to go on a Friday evening. You want to go Wednesday or Thursday if you can in the summertime. It slows down quite a bit after school starts, which it just did. So you can find a spot a little bit easier now. We don't have an inverter on our RV. We have plenty of power. We have a generator and we have solar on top of our RV. But we don't have an inverter, so we don't have power in our RV when we're dispersed camped unless we turn on the generator. So what I do is I bring a solar battery. It's called the Ecoflow Delta, and it makes it really nice. Like this morning, my wife just woke up and plugged the coffee pot into the Ecoflow Delta, and we were able to have coffee. I plugged my CPAP into it too, all night long, and I'm able to, get power from that. So you don't always have to have an inverter. I'd like to have one. It'll be probably in the neighborhood of $1,000 or $2,000 in order to install one. But we have the Ecoflow Delta, and so for now I don't have to install one. So having a solar battery, if you don't have an inverter, becomes very beneficial, very handy. Another couple things that we bring along are bags of water. We have 30 gallons of water in the RV. We do go through it pretty quick because we take a shower most mornings. I did this morning. And the bags of water hold 5 gallons each. And if I run out, I can just fill the RV with the bags of water. And we travel with the bags of water in the shower. So we fill them up at home, put them in the shower in case they ever do leak, and bring them on the trip with us. So those are the two main things, power and water. So we're covered there probably for 3 or 4 days. We're good. Actually, power would go forever because of our generator, but water is our limitation. So when you're dispersed camping, of course, the water's not always readily available. Come on, Sally. Let's go this way for a little bit further. My wife is back there, and Sally doesn't like to get far away from her because that's where all her treats come from. Hey, Sal. So, as far as dispersed camping, those power and water are the main things. Of course, you want to have food. Having a small RV allows you to pull into places that other people can't pull into, and that is also very beneficial. One of the things I will be doing in the near future is upgrading the suspension on my RV, because you get on dirt roads like this and it can get a little bumpy at times. It's all-wheel drive, so it's capable. It's just the suspension. We could get a lot of rock and roll when we don't want to. So I want to upgrade the suspension. But as far as toys, having the electric bike and having the kayak, I showed the kayak in one of my other videos, so watch that. But it's a small kayak and it fits inside there, and I don't have to put anything on top of the RV. The kayak is inflatable, makes it really nice, and that's what we're going to do today, take the inflatable kayak to the lake. My electric bike, of course, I can ride that for about 30 miles, so I get to explore when I'm in places like this. So having an electric bike and having some toys makes it pretty nice. But anyway, I just wanted to show you more of our dispersed camping site. Some of the things we think about when we're dispersed camping. You want to be aware of whether or not you have fire restrictions too. That's an important thing, and you can always look that up on the government sites for the fire restrictions. They will tell you if you do a search in Google. So that's it for now. I just wanted to point those couple things out and show you our boondocking site and show you Sally. Take care. If you've been watching, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.